How to set Assistive Access to display apps in rows or in grid on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Assistive Access. From here, we scroll down and in the Options section, tap on Rows or Grids. So this is rows here. And if I go to the top here and tap on Start Assistive Access, this is what it looks like when you select rows. Okay, so these are apps displaying in rows, and here are apps displaying in grids. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.